guys were talking so beautifully a minute ago. How cool. Now answer. Don't be shy on camera. Come on, Fred. Little girl. You guys